Ghar is where all relatives, friends, family members, they come together and stay together. So that is the area I would call it. To me, Ghar is a kind of attitude. Wherever you are, that becomes your home. Ghar is not a physical place. Wherever you go and you are able to create that environment, that is your home. We generally say, okay, I built this house, so that's where I'm comfortable. It's okay. This you made as per your requirements. But suppose you are going somewhere and based on your sadhana, based on your tapasya, you should be able to adjust wherever you are. You can be in a bedroom house in some friend's place, or you may be just sleeping with another 20 people in one big hall. So wherever you go, that should become your home. Ghar to me is not one very specific place, though we all have our own places, right? So, and Ghar is where all relatives, friends, family members, they come together and stay together. So that is the area I would call it. To me, Ghar is a kind of attitude. Wherever you are, that becomes your home. Well, I personally don't like the bedroom culture that is developed in India, because that somehow creates a lot of privacy. It has plus and minus. For a joint, united family, I would say it's a big disadvantage than an advantage. People fight in their own privacy, and parents would never know what's going on inside. Right? But if you are staying together, then they will postpone their fight. And by the time next day comes and you wanted to fight, by then you have forgotten why was I supposed to fight anyway. So minimal privacy should be there in the house. Children also get spoiled. Oh, my bedroom, my TV. And you have no way of monitoring your own child. In fact, your own bedroom becomes the biggest enemy for your children.